Good evening, friends. I hope everyone is fine. How are you all? Today I'm going to talk with a topic that's very close to my heart. Follow your dreams. I'm sure you all must have heard this number of times that we should follow our dreams. But it's not as easy as that. When we watch a movie, you know about someone following his or her dream, and the formula which we make us to believe, that after a couple of hours or just after one or two hiccups, eventually you get exactly what you want. But the real world, it operates differently. For some people, this dream path may just pan out. But for most of us, the road to our dreams is really long, it's challenging and unexpected. Of course, that doesn't mean that we should give up on our dreams, right? The experience of pursuing your dream is often more rewarding and more enlightening than the achievement of your dream themselves. So, as is being quoted by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, you have to dream before your dreams can come true. It's very important. First, at least have some dream, then think of getting it true, right? Some people, they just are not aware of their potential, and they just throttle their potential by refusing to think, what if it doesn't happen, right? But you have to start dreaming before you actually achieve anything. You don't have to prove it to anybody else. You have lots and lots of things to prove to yourself. Always remember, be the best version of yourself. Do not compare your life with others. You compare yourself with what you were yesterday and try to be better. Focus on improving yourself. Do not compare it with the other people. Okay? We always have a fear in our mind. Fear is a limiting factor and present in all of us, right? But that fear is also essential for success. Do not give up on your dreams, or else your dreams will give up on you. Because the moment you believe that you can't do it, everything else begins to crumble. So very important thing is believe in yourself. You will never find time for anything. You have to make it, right? Life is not easy. It's a bed of roses with lots of thorns in it, correct? People convince themselves, that they will have time for their dreams in the future. But there is never a better time than now. Make time for your dreams right now. Okay? Focus. Make sure that you don't give up. It's not easy. Path is challenging. It's difficult. But yes, the continuous hard work, perseverance is actually needed to pursue your dreams. Never be ashamed unless and until whatever you are doing to make yourself happy, but it should not hurt others. If you think it makes you happy, then go for it, but without hurting others. That's very important. We can't lighten our path by making the darkness in the path of others. Correct? So keep that in mind always. There is some who will hold it against you, but it should not bother you. If your dreams are big, definitely people will mock you for that. Forget about them. Because if you just go on listening to them, then you will never succeed. There is one, interesting incident which just came to my mind right now. There was once a frog. You all must have heard it also, I guess. He was deaf. He was actually trying to climb the tree. And all other frogs from down, okay, they all were just shouting, you cannot do it, it's not possible for you, you can't climb the tree, right? But that frog, as he was deaf, he thought that the other people are cheering him. And with that encouragement and with that enthusiasm, he just climbed up the tree. So same thing we have to follow in our life. Ignore others. Forget about what other people are thinking about your dreams. If you want to go for it, then yes, you can definitely do it. Believe in yourself, which is very, very important. If you can't believe in yourself, how others can believe you? Correct? So that is very, very important. To be a human being, to be in a state of tension between your appetites and between your dreams, the social realities around you, and your obligations to your fellow men. See, our dreams, what we have, they are at odds with our realities, demanding freedoms and resources we may not have. But yes, this doesn't make them impossible to achieve. Nothing in the world can take the place of persistence. Talent will not. Nothing is more common than the unsuccessful man with talent. Genius will not. The world is full of educated derelicts. Persistence and determination is what exactly we all need it in order to follow our dreams. Persistence is what makes us separate the successful from the pure wishful thinkers. So you have to distinguish yourself by staying motivated even in the toughest of the circumstances. The realization should be there that yes, I want to follow my dreams relentlessly. I can't imagine a person becoming a success who doesn't give this game of life, right? Everything he has got. What does it mean? You can't follow your dreams at just a leisure place. You need to give 100% of your effort if you want to achieve them, right? There is no gain without any pain. So, continuously efforts, tirelessly efforts are being required to pursue your dreams. When you reach an obstacle, there are many obstacles which come in our way, right? There are many hindrances which we do face. Turn them into opportunity. Be positive in all the circumstances. Be positive. That really makes a big difference in your life. The way of your thinking. One positive thought in the morning really enlightens your entire day. Whatever obstacles are there in your way, turn them into opportunity. Right? It's very, very important. You have a choice. You can either overcome the obstacles and be a winner. Choice is yours. Correct? So grab the opportunities. Make the best use of whatever opportunities you get in your life. There is no age limit to just pursue your dream, to follow your dream. It's up to you. Do not put yourself into that boundaries. Correct? Love what you do and do what you love. We have heard this. Ignore everybody who tries to tell you that what to do or think. You follow your own instincts and goals, because ultimately it's you who's going to do it. That's what matters, right? Self-love is very important. Do not focus on what I am up against. You focus on your goals and just try to ignore the rest, right? See, it's easy to get lost in thinking only about the challenges, about the obstacles before you. But instead of that, think about that ultimate destination. Then you will definitely have a big smile on your face. If you have focus, if you want to reach to a certain destination, then the obstacles in your path should not matter. Definitely we are going to face it, but we have to overcome that. Correct? Remember to celebrate the milestones as you prepare for the road ahead. See, every milestone, what you achieve in your life, is a miniature victory, whether it's big or small. Right? Don't neglect or underestimate them. But last and not the least, the only thing worse than starting something and failing is not starting something. At least start. Okay? See, some cases failure is inevitable, but that should not stop you from starting something new. Correct? So my wishes to everyone, follow your dreams, pursue your dreams, go for it. And let me know how do you find my video. Bye everyone. Take care.